Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a folder in GitLab. If you need to remove a folder from a GitLab repository using the web interface, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. Before you begin, keep in mind that deleting a folder in GitLab usually creates a change in the repository, so you'll want to be sure you're removing the correct item. Start by opening GitLab on the home page. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Projects. This will take you to the area where all of your available repositories are listed. Next, select the project you want to work in. In this example, the project shown is called Sample Project. Once you open the project, you'll be taken into that repository's main workspace. Now, in the left navigation menu, click on Code. This section is where you can view and manage the files and folders stored in the repository. After that, click on Repository to open the repository browser. This is the view that lets you navigate through your project's file structure directly in GitLab. Once you're inside the repository, locate the folder you want to delete and click on it. In this example, the folder is named Sample. Opening the folder first is important so you can confirm that you're targeting the right location before deleting anything. With the folder open, move to the top right area of the page and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions related to the item you're viewing. When the menu appears, click Delete. At that point, GitLab will begin the process of removing that folder from the repository. If your project uses a commit workflow, you may be prompted to confirm the change as part of a commit. Take a moment to review the details before finalizing, especially if you're working in a shared project where other team members may also be using the same files. A helpful tip is to double-check the folder contents before deleting, since removing a folder can affect builds, documentation, or application behavior if those files are still in use. If you're unsure, consider reviewing the project history or coordinating with your team first. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to your GitLab repository, opened the folder you want to remove, accessed the Options menu, and chosen Delete to remove it.